Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, this is colors. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D. Let's learn colors name. Sky blue, light green, red, orange, blue, pink, green, yellow, brown, violet, black, and purple color. This is pink color, and we are tracing letter A. A. This is letter B. B. Now we will trace letter C. Yes, this is letter D. Red color E. This is letter F. Now we are tracing letter G. This is letter H. I. J. Now we are tracing letter K. This is letter L. Now we are tracing letter M. This is letter N. Black color O. Now we are tracing P. This is letter Q. We are tracing letter R. Kids, we are tracing letter S. This is letter T. U. Now we are tracing letter V. W. This is letter X. Y and Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.